Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a simple and fun daily conversation. In this video, you will follow a story about two friends spending a relaxing day together. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What food did Sam recommend to Ellie at the convenience store? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Ellie.
Good morning, Sam. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm really good today. The weather is so nice.
That's nice to hear. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I slept very well last night. I went to bed early, around 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock? That is early. I went to bed at 11.
That's still not too late. Did you sleep well too?
Yes, I did. I slept well too. I feel good this morning.
That's great. So, do you have any plans today?
Not really. I'm free today. I didn't have any plans, so I was going to stay home. What about you?
I'm free too. I have nothing to do today. I was a little bored, actually.
Really? Then do you want to go out together? It's too nice to stay inside.
That sounds great. I'd love to. Where should we go?
I don't know yet. Let's just walk around and see. We can decide later.
Okay, that sounds like a good idea. I like walking without a plan.
Me too. It's more fun that way. Let me get my jacket first.
Sure, take your time. I'll wait right here.
Okay, I'm back. I'm ready now. Let's go.
That was fast. You look nice in that jacket, by the way.
Oh, thank you. It's my favorite one. Okay, let's have a fun day today.
Yes, let's go.
It's really nice outside today, isn't it?
Yes, it's so warm and sunny. I love this kind of weather.
Me too. It's not too hot and not too cold. It's just right.
I agree. The sky is so blue today. There are no clouds at all.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I'm glad we decided to come outside.
Me too. Staying home would have been a waste. The fresh air feels so nice.
It does. I feel more awake now. Walking outside in the morning is the best.
I agree. I should go for walks more often.
Right. Oh, by the way, did you eat breakfast this morning?
No, I didn't. I woke up late, so I didn't have time to make anything.
Oh no, you must be hungry then.
Yes, I'm a little hungry. Well, I'm very hungry, really.
I thought so. You should eat something. Do you want to get something to eat?
Yes, please. That would be great. But where can we get food around here?
There's a convenience store near here. It's just down this street. Do you want to stop there?
A convenience store? That's a good idea. They have lots of food there.
Yeah, they have sandwiches, rice balls, bread, and many other things.
That sounds perfect. I can't wait. It's just around the corner. We'll be there in a minute.
Okay, let's walk a little faster. I'm so hungry.
Okay, we're almost there. Don't worry.
Here we are. This is the convenience store.
Oh, it looks nice. What should we buy?
Well, what do you feel like eating? They have many things inside.
I'm not sure. There are so many choices. What do you recommend?
I usually get a sandwich and coffee. The egg sandwich here is very good. I buy it all the time.
An egg sandwich? That sounds delicious. I think I'll try that.
You should. It's really soft, and the egg is very tasty. It's my favorite here.
Okay, I'm excited to try it. What about drinks? Do they have hot coffee?
Yes, they do. They have both hot coffee and iced coffee. The hot coffee is pretty good here.
I want hot coffee. It's still a little cool this morning, even though it's sunny.
Good choice. I'll get hot coffee too. We can drink it outside.
That sounds nice. Oh, do they have sweets too? Like chocolate or cookies?
Of course. They have a lot of snacks. Cookies, chocolate, cake, candy, all kinds of things.
Yay! I love snacks. Okay, let's go inside and take a look.
All right, let's go in.
Hello, welcome to our store.
Hello. I'd like this egg sandwich, please.
Sure. Would you like me to heat it up?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
Okay, it will take about 30 seconds. Is there anything else you'd like?
Yes. I'd also like 2 hot coffees, please.
2 hot coffees. Got it. What size would you like? We have small and large.
Small, please. Both small.
Okay, 2 small hot coffees. Would you like sugar or milk with them?
No, thank you. Just black is fine.
All right. Is that everything for today?
Actually, wait. Can I also get this chocolate cookie?
Of course. Good choice. That's one of our popular items.
Oh, really? That's good to know.
So let me make sure. 1 egg sandwich, 2 small hot coffees, and 1 chocolate cookie. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. That's everything.
Your total is 850 yen. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Card, please.
Okay, please tap your card here.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. The payment is complete. Thank you. Here's your sandwich. It's all warmed up. And here are your 2 coffees and the cookie.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.
You got a lot of things. That bag looks full. What did you buy?
I got the egg sandwich, 2 coffees, and a chocolate cookie for you.
A chocolate cookie? For me? Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you.
Of course. You said you love snacks, so I wanted to get one for you.
You remembered. That makes me happy.
Here's your coffee, too. Be careful, it's very hot.
Thank you. It smells so good. I love the smell of hot coffee.
Me too. Let's eat here. There's a bench right over there. Let's sit down.
Good idea. My legs need a little rest, too.
Here, let's share the sandwich. You can have half.
Really? Are you sure? Thank you. Let me try it. Oh, this egg sandwich is really, really good.
Right? I told you. It's my favorite thing at that store.
I understand why you love it. It's so soft, and the egg is really tasty.
How's the coffee?
It's really good, too. It's nice and warm, perfect for this cool morning. It makes me feel relaxed.
I'm glad you like it. This is nice, isn't it? Just sitting here and eating together.
It really is. Oh, let me try the cookie now. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Is it that good?
Yes, it's so chocolatey and crunchy. You should try one next time.
Maybe I will. I usually don't buy cookies, but now I really want to try it.
You really should. Oh, and I saw a matcha cake inside the store too. It looked so good. I want to try that next time.
A matcha cake? That sounds really good. I like matcha too.
Oh, you do? Then we should come back here and try it together.
That's a great idea. Let's do that. We can make it a plan for next time.
Yes, I can't wait. But for now, I'm full and happy.
Me too. That was a good breakfast. Shall we go now?
Sure, I'm ready. Let's keep walking.
So, what do you want to do next? We finished eating.
Let me see. We could go to a park, or maybe a cafe. What do you think?
Both sound good to me. How about we go to the park first? We can walk around and enjoy this nice weather.
That's a great idea. I know a nice park near here. It has a lot of trees and flowers. It's very pretty this time of year.
That sounds lovely. How far is it from here?
It's about a 10-minute walk from here, really close.
Perfect. Let's go there.
And after the park, we can go to a cafe and relax for a while.
I like that plan. That sounds really nice.
There's a cute little cafe near the park, too. I went there once before. The cake and tea there are really good.
Oh, really? That sounds wonderful. I'd love to try it.
You'll love it. It's very quiet and peaceful inside. It's a perfect place to relax.
That sounds like what I need. Let's take our time today. There's no need to hurry.
I agree. Let's just relax and enjoy the whole day together.
Okay, so our plan is the park first, and then the cafe after that. Is there anything else you want to do?
I think that's enough for today. Let's keep it simple and easy.
I like that. A simple day is always a good day.
I love that idea. Okay, let's walk to the park.
Let's go. Wow, today was really fun. I had a great time.
It was. I had such a wonderful time too. Thank you for today.
The park was so beautiful, wasn't it? All those flowers were amazing.
Yes, and the cafe was great too. I especially loved the cake there. It was so delicious.
Me too. The cake was my favorite part, and the tea was also very good.
And don't forget the egg sandwich this morning. That was a great way to start the day.
You're right. Everything we ate today was so good.
I know. We ate a lot today.
It's really nice to spend time like this, you know? Just walking around, eating good food, and talking together.
I think so too. Simple things like this are the best. We don't need anything fancy.
Exactly. We should do this again sometime.
Yes, let's do this again soon. How about next weekend? Are you free?
Next weekend? Let me think. Yes, I think I'm free. That sounds perfect.
Great. I can't wait. Maybe we can try a different cafe next time. There are so many good ones around here.
That's a good idea. I'd like that. And maybe we can try the matcha cake at the convenience store too.
Oh, yes. I almost forgot about that. We have so many things to try next time.
We sure do. Today was really nice and relaxing. I needed a day like this.
I needed it too. Sometimes the best days are the simple ones.
I think so too. Well, thank you for today, Ellie. It was really fun spending the day with you.
Thank you too, Sam. I had a wonderful day. It was so much fun.
I'm glad. Okay, see you next weekend then.
See you. Have a good evening, Sam. Get some rest.
You too. Good night, Ellie. See you soon.
Good night, Sam. See you soon.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What food did Sam recommend to Ellie at the convenience store? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.